Okay. Hi students, welcome to online classes on module 4. Again we will solve some more problem which is related to LPC, LAC and CR. Okay, so in last video we solved some 2 to 3 problems. Here also we will solve some 2 problems, okay, which is related to the same LPC, LAC and CR. Okay, we will go with the one another problem. Okay, now read the problem very carefully. Each of two gears, what is given? Each of two gears in a mesh has 48 teeth and a module of 8 mm. What is given? Each of two gears means both the gears, that is capital T and small t should be 48. See here, for capital T and small should be 48 and module of 8 mm, module of 8 mm, m is equal to 8 mm. The teeth are of 20-degree involved profile, that is he given as the phi. The phi he is given as 20 degree and m is equal to 8 mm. Okay, each of two gears means capital T is equal to small t is equal to 48, module is equal to 8 mm, that is m is equal to 8 mm. The teeth are of 25-degree involved, that is phi is equal to 20 degree. The arc of contact is, this is another important point, like in a first class we solved the arc of contact is 1.5 times of 1.6 times of circular pitch, but in this problem what he given, the arc of contact is 2.25 times of circular pitch, that is LAC equal to, sorry, arc of contact equal to 2.25 into PC. Determine the addendum. He asked calculate the addendum, that is addendum is equal to, we know, RA minus R. Okay, now write given data. Phi is equal to 20 degree, right? Capital T is equal to small t is equal to 48, m is equal to m. Now calculate radius of pinion, that is capital RA, small RA, both are same, so you can go with mt by 2 or you can go with m small t by 2 also, both are same, so hence I will go with capital mt by 2. It is 8 into 48 divided by 2, that is 192. RA equal to RA, because each two gears means he given both the gears are same, so hence it is taken as RA equal to capital RA is equal to small RA. Now the arc of contact is equal to, he given the arc of contact is equal to 2.25 into circular pitch. The arc of contact is 2.25 times of circular pitch. So same thing I written here because it is a given data, 2.25 into circular pitch. Again we know the circular pitch, that is pi into m, and we know the pi circular pitch also we can write pi is equal to pi by d or d by t. Now so write 2.25 into pi into m is what we know, m is given, that is you can have to write 8 mm. So if after solving this you will get 56.55 mm. Then path of contact, so path of contact is 56.55 into cos phi, then we will get the 53.14 mm. For equals per gear, for 2's per gear, so just you go with this formula, 2 into or 2 bracket of RA square minus R square cos square phi minus R sin phi. You can go with capital RA or small RA. Okay, but now I will go with the capital RA, and again here I will give the hint cos square is there. Cos square nothing but you have to write this cos square into cos 20 into cos 20. So then you will get the answer. After solving this you will get the 53.14. You can go with this also or you can go with this also, because RA and RA are same. Okay, so directly use this 2 is equal to bracket of RA square minus R square cos square phi minus of RA into sin phi. So we'll get, then therefore we know that addendum is equal to R minus RA. So now I want to calculate, because he given determine, sorry, he asked determine the addendum. So addendum is equal to RA minus R, that is 202.6 minus of 192 is equal to 10.6 mm. So addendum is equal to 10.6 module. So this is also very important problem, especially this kind. So whenever he given the arc of contact is 2.65 times circular pitch, or length of path of 2.25 times. So you have to take care, so especially this data. Okay, so we'll go to the last problem of this module. Okay, now read it clearly. A pinion having 30 teeth drives a gear having 80 teeth. See here, a pinion having a 30 teeth. What he given? He given small t, because he said pinion. Driver gear having 80 teeth. He said gear. Gear means capital T. So capital T is equal to 80 and small t is equal to 30. Okay. Then the profile of the gear. The profile of the gear is involved with 20-degree pressure angle. The profile of the gear is involved with 20-degree pressure angle. Means what he given? He given phi is equal to 20 degree. 12 mm module. He given 12 mm module and 10 mm addendum. He given module also and a given addendum also. Find the length of path of contact, arc of contact and contact ratio. What he asked? Calculate or find LPC, LAC and CR. Okay, so write now one by one. So before going to write, just I escaped the some steps. So just you can go with the formula number 1, 2, that is you can calculate R, capital RA, small RA, capital T value, small t value, M value, because everything is given. Capital T is 80 mm, small t is 30, sorry, capital T is 80, small t is 30, pressure angle is 20 and module M is 12 and addendum is 10 mm. So just RA square minus R square cos square minus R sin, but that is I will go with path of approach plus path of research, because I know the length of arc of contact less length of path of contact equal to the length of path of contact equal to LPC plus LAC. LPC plus LAC. Okay, that is path of approach plus path of research. The path of approach plus path of approach research. That is path of approach is square root of RA square minus R square cos square phi minus R sin phi, whereas path of approach is capital RA square minus capital R square cos square minus capital R sin phi. So this plus this approach plus research, you will get the length of path of contact. Length of path of contact is 52.3 mm. Okay, so right, once you got the length of path of contact, when you got LPC, so write LPC equal to LPC divided by cos phi, that is length of path of contact divided by cos phi. So you calculated 52.3 cos phi, phi is 20 degree, that is 55.66 mm. So contact ratio CR also we can know the number of pair of teeth in contact. CR ko once again you may ask what is CR, that is number of pair of teeth in contact. So that is PC is equal to pi into M. Pi into M is given, it is 12 mm. So pi into 12, that is 37.5 mm. So we know that contact ratio is equal to length of arc of contact divided by circular pitch, 55.66 divided by 37.5. So we will get the contact ratio is 1.5. We will get 1.5, that is contact ratio is equal to 1.5, or average number of teeth in contact is 1.5. So find the length of path of contact. Length of path of contact is 52.3. Length of arc of contact is 55.66. Contact ratio or average number of teeth in contact is 1.5.